exposing the secret to perfect Portuguese pronunciation. Let's nail those ch and Lh sounds. Today, we're diving into two sounds that can trip up even the best of us, chi and L. First up, cheech. Think of the English word shoes. Now say it like this, shoes. Got it? Practice with these words, chave, ki. Chuva, rain. Repeat after me. Next, il. Imagine saying million but drop the me and just say leon. Easy, right? Try it with these, Filho, sun. Olhos, eye. Your turn. Quick tip. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth movements. You'll notice the difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep at it, and soon you'll be sounding like a native. 8 Logo language learners. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.